Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. It is 2020 and I want to help you get the year started off right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $20,000 per month with Clickbank affiliate marketing and also product launches and really leveraging any affiliate marketing product launch out there. I did a few other versions of this same video roughly 1 to 2 years ago, and they were both a huge hit. Back on January 30th, 2018, almost 2 years ago, I showed people how I made over $7,000 in 1 week with Clickbank affiliate marketing and YouTube. And then also that same year, I showed people how I made $20,000 in a month with Clickbank affiliate marketing and product launches. This is the 2020 updated version I'm about to show you right now. So let's go ahead and get into it. One more kind of income proof facet I want to show you guys before we get into this is I've used the same method, not just with Clickbank, but to promote my own digital products and other people's affiliate marketing products in other affiliate marketplaces and other, independent products as well. So I can go back here. If we go back to, let's say, January 1st, 2019, bear with me here. It says December 30th, 2018 to 1/3/2020, close enough, right? Net volume and sales, $423,000. So this process works. What I'm about to show you, I've done it over and over and over again. So without further ado, let's dive in. But one last thing, make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because we teach you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment by leveraging online marketing and specifically the affiliate marketing business model. So go ahead, subscribe. Tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that we upload when we upload them. And let's go ahead and let's dive in here. So step number one is you want to go to jvnotifypro.com. And the cool thing about this website is it's going to show you the latest products that are being released out there in the internet marketing niche. Sometimes they'll have products in the health and wellness niche, but for the most part, you're going to see products in the internet marketing niche. So if we scroll down here, you can see all the different dates along with the products that are being released. Now, what you want to be looking for are products that have hot next to them. This is an indicator that's going to be a big product launch. In other words, there's going to be a bunch of other affiliates, a bunch of gurus marketing this product to their list. Now, the reason why it's so important that a lot of well-known names are on board for these product launches is because they've got big lists. And so when they email these lists, it creates a buzz in the marketplace. And when it creates a buzz in the marketplace, these potential customers will go to Google and YouTube and type the product name in plus review. So in this case, it would be like, Your Year of Miracles 2020 review. Here's another one. Soci Flux review. Get cheap traffic with Google Ads review. The Kaibo code review, so on and so forth. What I would do is I would write down all the products that say hot next to them. And then the next step after you do that is you want to start creating content around these products. Now, when we're looking at the date right here, we want to make sure that the product launch is about 3 weeks to 4 weeks out from the day that we start marketing, because that gives us enough time to start ranking in Google search engine and start ranking in YouTube. So that's where blogging and leveraging YouTube come into play. That's how we're going to drive traffic into these affiliate offers so we can earn these big commissions and ride the wave of when the product launches. Okay. So 3 to 4 weeks out is kind of the sweet spot. Sometimes you can get away with 2 weeks, but again, it gives you enough time to get momentum to rank in the search engines. And you want to position yourself before that wave comes, right? Just like a surfer does. You're waiting for that wave, and when it comes, you want to be able to be prepared and ride that wave. In other words, you want to be ranked at the top of Google or YouTube and ride that wave of traffic so you can profit hugely. So step number one is to, of course, find a product to promote. And you can use, once again, JV Notify Pro. You can also use a website called muncheye.com. And the cool thing about this website is it will actually tell you what the big launches are. aka a lot of affiliates, a lot of big names are promoting for these specific product launches. So you can write all these down, and you can see that this product is being launched on JVZoo. This one's being launched on Clickbank, Warrior Plus. That's just the website, aka kind of the merchant that they're using to launch the product, or the platform that they're using to launch the product on. Okay, so once we do that, now we want to prepare ourselves to receive an influx of traffic. So let me show you an example of how I did this on Google. So there was a product called Easy Bay Payday Review. And what I did is I created a review article on my website. So you're going to want to have a blog for this. And you could do like a review site blog that's just for reviews. You can have a branded name blog like mine's joshelder.com. But nonetheless, what I did is I had this article created for this specific product launch. Okay, so if I click on it, you can see I'm ranked at the top too. But if I click on it, you can see this article right here. I actually didn't write any of this. I had somebody else write the article, which was pretty cool. And then what I did is I killed two birds with one stone. Because you can rank videos in Google and also rank blogs in Google, what I decided to do is record my screen showing my blog and just going line by line through the review. Check it out.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video today, we're going to be talking about Easy Bay Payday. As you can see,
so all I did is I went through the article, I scrolled down, I told people about it. And then I either recommended the product, as you can see right here. Check out my #1 recommendation below. So I'll either recommend the product if I genuinely think it's legit, or I'll recommend another product that I can earn an affiliate commission off of. Okay, so it's very easy to do. And then you can see not only have I ranked at the top, but my students have ranked their reviews at the top. This is one of my students here, Karen Marrow. Also, this is one of my students, David, right here. And again, this was back in 2018, October 8th, and it's still working today in 2020. So you can kill two birds with one stone right here. So if I also go to YouTube, you can see here's a product called 30-Day Success Formula Review. And you can see that I'm ranked at the top right here. Let's see if Easy Bay Payday Review is also ranking at the top. You can see it's, once again, it's ranked at the top. And then you got my two students here. And they're ranking amongst all these other people that are trying to compete. I've got an unfair advantage little strategy that I use that I teach my students to be able to rank at the very top. And there's plenty of traffic. For those of you that are wondering, well, if I get so many people, is it going to get saturated? Not everybody's going to click the first result. It really is about the thumbnail and the video that stands out, and even the title that stands out, whether it be a YouTube video or whether it be, a blog post ranking in Google right here. You can also see here's one of my channels, my first channels that I created. It's all based around internet marketing product reviews. I created my first six-figure income off of this small channel of 2.24 thousand subscribers, right? So you don't need a lot of people coming to your videos, coming to your blog, because they're very targeted. These are people, like, picture it like this. If somebody is at the beginning stages of the search process, let's say they're going to buy a TV, they might just type in 4K TVs, right? And then they might come across Samsung and LG. And then they see an LG TV that they really like, and they go to the Best Buy, or they go to the electronics store and they view that TV and they love it. They love the picture, they love how it looks, they love how the gameplay when they're playing video games on it. And so what they do is they decide to take down the model number, go back home and type in that model number into Google to find the best price. That's when they're freaking ready to pull out their credit card and buy. And it's the same thing with these types of reviews. It's a difference between somebody typing in how to make money online and parallel profits review, looking for a product that's going to teach them how to make money online, right? They're not in the research process. They're in buying mode. Same thing with weight loss supplements or Keto Burn 2000, right? For example, let's say that's a supplement name, right? They're looking for the exact supplement. So not only can you use this strategy to do reviews, but you can also use it to like repurpose content that's already out there, like on a YouTube channel. And then you can have the video transcribed and even have it rewritten so the sentence structure is right, grammar, punctuation's right, and all that good stuff. And so you can repurpose that content without having to write any articles or blog posts whatsoever and have somebody on like Fiverr or Upwork do all the work. So for example, automated websites. You type that in, I'm ranked number 3 right here. If we go ahead and click on it, you can see that I've got my video. And all we did once again is we took my video, transcribed it. We had somebody rewrite it in article form so it's, easy to read. And you can see, and then I got calls to actions right here. Go see my number 1 recommendation, and then it goes straight to my website. So not only does this work with product launches, but it works with being able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. If you create a YouTube video and then you want to drive more traffic, not just from YouTube, but from Google by repurposing that in article form, you can do that as well. So what I've done is I've created a product called Product Launch Profits. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this whole entire process of selecting a product, building a blog. I'm going to show you step by step how to build that blog, how to structure it, the plugins to use. I'm going to show you the Fiverr gigs and the outsourcers as well that I use to have my blogs written for me. And you can even have your videos created for you if you want to. It costs a little bit more, but it's very easy. Once you have the blog written and up on the website, you can just do a screen recording video and you can rank in YouTube, Google, both the blog and the video, and really ride that wave and get those big commissions, through Clickbank or whatever, merchant you're going through. So I'm going to show you how to set up the blog. I'm going to show you how to obviously set up your YouTube channel, how to do all the details in between that I didn't have time to cover in this video. And also what I'm going to do is this is going to be shown in real time to where you're going to see me actually go for a product launch, create the content, create the videos, and show you the end result. So if you love the sound of this, if you want to know how to do all this stuff and profit big from product launches with minimal investment when it comes to like getting a domain, getting a website, creating the videos. I mean, there's free screen recording softwares out there. It doesn't cost a lot of money to be able to implement this strategy I'm going to teach you. You could do this for well under $100. If that's something that you want to be a part of this, all you need to do is click the link below, and I hope to see you on the other side.